We are going to be doing a very easy, cute, simple hairstyle that is perfect for, different occasions like weddings, parties, picnics, baby showers and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that you're going to learn something at the end of the video. And again, this hairstyle is super affordable, I'm telling you. And please be sure, to give it a try because I feel like it's a very simple and very cute. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Okay, so you're going to be having two cornrows at the front part of the hair. Okay, so right about now I'm just putting my hair into, like a twist because you don't want it to get into the way. Okay, so after that I'll just go ahead and section the other side as well, and then I'm going to put it into a twist. Okay, I'm just reminding us of how versatile our natural hair is. Okay, you can always take breaks from doing twist, braids, and rock different hairstyles with just our natural hair. After putting the back of my hair aside using my hair tie, I'm going to be using this gel. It's called Miss Sunshine, and its consistency, it's thick as you guys can see in the video. Okay,
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
if you don't know how to do cornrows, you can always do flat twist. Okay, you don't necessarily have to do cornrows if you don't know how to. You can always rock this same hairstyle but with flat twist as well. It will come out perfectly okay. I will be adding in pieces of extension towards the end of the cornrow simply because my hair is short. Okay, so once I finish, I'll be able to put my hair into like a low bun, of which you guys are going to see. So if your hair is long, quite longer than mine, then you don't have to add in pieces of hair. If you have watched this video till here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure you subscribe. Stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. You can always invite your friends and family as well. So if you're just bumping onto this channel for the very first time, I do create different hairstyles. So if you're one person that enjoys watching hair tutorials, or if you want to learn to know how to do your own hair at the comfort of your home, please be sure to stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. Now that I'm done, I'm going to slick the back section of my hair. So I'll be using my Sofnfree Gel. So this is like my go-to styling gel anytime I want to, slick my hair and all that. But you can always use any styling gel of your choice. Okay, so the reason why I normally use this, this particular styling gel is because it doesn't leave no flakes onto my hair, those white residue. So this has been my go-to styling gel. But again, just like I've mentioned, you can always use, the styling gel that works perfectly for your hair. So right about now, I'm just putting my hair into, a low bun, and then after which I'll just, take my edge control brush, and I'm going to use it to, just to slick down my edges, just like you can see in the video. And then after which I'll just take my scarf, and I'm going to use it to wrap my hair, which I left it for about an hour. And guys, this is how I got to slick down my hair. So on to the next step, which is also the last step. So this is how my hair is looking like. I loved how it turned out, like it is nice and slick down, as you guys can see in the video. So this is Brazil hair, of which I'm going to leave the video of how I made these curls in the description box down below. You can always go and check it out. Okay, so right about now, I'm just attaching it onto my natural hair bun, just like so, and then I'm going to flip it over, then take a smaller piece of this hair, then I just go around with it just to make sure that our extension is like nice and secured and that it doesn't move. So guys, once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and twist this extension towards the end of it. Okay, and then after which I'll just fold it, and I'm going to use my bobby pins to secure the hair, because honey, you don't want to be walking around and then the hair falls out. Okay, so please make sure that you secure it with some bobby pins, for extra security and for it to stay in place. So guys, this was it for today's video. And by the way, I forgot to mention that I did add some accessories. So yeah, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.